So next up, we're gonna kind of go into a certain area of our web page where we can kind of update our logo to this mountain logo that came with the site, and even our Favicon image, which I've already kind of done. But if you go into customize header, we can actually go into site identity, which is where we can update our logo. So I'm just gonna come in here. It looks like it's already been done, but it's just not working. It'll let you crop your image when you bring this in, so you can go ahead and crop it however you want. I want mine to be like this. For some reason it's not working. Move that. Okay, that worked. So you have to remove the mountain logo that was there. You might have to end up bringing in a different logo for your mobile devices. And then your site icon image should go here, which is the Favicon, basically. I've already updated mine, but I can actually select my site icon. If you need to, go into Photoshop and create a document that's 512 by 512. That's not a bad idea. I have mine open here. So if I look at image size, I created, it's a 512 by 512, you can see right here. And I didn't make it a high resolution, but I exported it as a PNG, so I did a file export. So I exported that out of Photoshop as a PNG, and then we can come here, select site icon. So we're back into our web page here. You know, you might have to go into upload files. You might have to select that PNG and bring that into the media library. Mine's already in there because I've already done this. I was kind of experimenting before I made this. Let's put in some alt text. So Mary Ward Favicon. Mary Ward Design Favicon. You can even like make a description of in here too. It'd probably be pretty similar to your alt text. So select that image, and it'll give you a little preview of what it will look like up here, right here. And it's already up in mine, but so here's the site title, Mary Ward Design. So we can actually click on this display site title here, and it'll bring it in, Mary Ward Design. We can do it inline as well, which will make it come up here. And my tagline is helping you with your design needs. So we can actually display that easily as well by clicking on display site tagline. So I might actually, I don't know if this will make a difference, but capitalizing these things. For some reason, the site title is all lowercase too, even though I have it uppercase here. It's probably just a styling thing. I might leave them both in. I kind of like the way that looks. So if we push publish, we'll have kind of taken care of this area of the website anyway, and also our Favicon, which is nice.